What are you doing? Huh? I ain't thirsty, Kiki. I am a dirty longtail. Oh, somebody wants a Twinkie. Kiki? Ready? Okay. Where's your head? Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna drink the well dry. Here we go, Kiki. Oh, there it is. How's that? Too much? Too much. How's that? I'm so excited you're drinking out there. Hold on. Try that. Get yourself ready. And the long tail. Oh no, I'm so excited that you're drinking. How's that? How's that? There it is. You make the water too fast for me, he says. I'd rather drink out of the faucet than drink out of the cup. Because I am a very special kid with a big, long tail that wags very long. Look at the tail, tick-tock, like a pendulum. Look at it, tick-tock, tick-tock. She's going to drink the whole well. Get your tail. That good, long tail? That good? Oh, cookie in your eye, too. I could drink forever out of here. Me and my long tail, I gotta fill that long tail full of water. I gotta fill that long tail full of water. Most ridiculous cat in the whole wide world. But you're a good cat. Protect the cheeps and everything, don't you? Huh? She watches the chickens, make sure nobody gets hurt. Gets the other kitties away. Is it like, well, I'm a cow. I'm a cow cat. Huh? Oh. Huh? You look like a kitty cow. Kitty cow. Oh. Are you done? Long tail. Are you done? You're done. I'm done. Good. Open the door. You're not doing it. Okay. It's a long tail. Long tail drinking water.